When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang.
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority.
I got blood on my hands and there's no remorse. I got blood on my dick cause I fucked the corpse. I'm a nasty nigga. When you pass me, nigga, look me in my eye. Tell me to my fucking face that you ready to die. You be a dead motherfucker.
How you like me now? Don't fuck the style, ruthless wow. Do you wanna get your teeth knocked the fuck out? Wanna get on it like that? Well then shout.
No, 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 no. Quiero, no, 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 no,
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
Keeping it cheap ain't nothing. You ain't got it like it cause the hood don't love it. You ain't got it like it cause the hood don't love it. Watch it.
I don't fuck with you. You little stupid ass bitch, I ain't fucking with you.
West side, coming from the west side. Nothing but the west side.
If you a gutter motherfucker.
See, every time my eyes close, I start sweating and blood starts coming out my nose.
I'm a nigga with an attitude thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangsta.
When I switch lanes, then them doors swing. Arm out the window screaming money ain't a thing. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Call it automatic bang, bang, bang. Robbie switch lanes, diamonds in my chain. Been around the
Get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Oh no, the fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out.
Enough for this pair on animal abuse charges.
Fox 8 News reporter Kathleen Cochran live in Russell Township with details.
Hi, Bill and Stacy. Well, the couple is accused of throwing two cats like this one here out of their car and killing them. Now, as part of their sentence, this little guy's having fun, but now as part of their sentence, the couple is going to have to come right
Down with OJ, so fuck how you living. I'm the unforgiving, psycho-driven murderer. It's organic, don't panic, I can't stand it. God damn it, schizophrenic. So fuck Charlie Manson.
Slap it.
The cat's growling at him.
What is the cat's end game?
value deal has a total of 1,080 calories or 780 calories. The Big Mac is 540 calories plus whatever the drink is. If it's a Diet Coke, then 0 calories, so it's 780. But if you order a regular Coke, it's 300 calories, so it's 1,080 calories. Compared to a healthy home cooked.
From the cradle to the grave. Life ain't never been easy. We gonna take it.
There's a lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck them. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. Trick Daddy. Lil Jon.